everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am here with my family to go camping, and it's my first time camping in Taiwan, so just thought to share the experience with you guys.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within.
So glad the guys are able to build the tent in time so that we stay dry. So we have pretty good timing, I guess. 我们来的时候都没有下雨，一搭完就下雨了。As soon as we set up the tent, it's like pouring, literally pouring buckets. So the rain kind of stopped now and it's nice and cool. It's no longer hot outside. That's the perk of being up in the mountain area, and we're just surrounded by fog right now and cloud. So our camping ground has a sink here, and then moving over there, this is where we set up the tent. So everyone has their own little chair. And then eat, talk, chat, drink tea, do whatever, and just relax at this living room area. This is still a lot of stuff that we haven't unpacked, so honestly we brought a lot of stuff here. Yeah, this is our tent. It's super big. You can actually stand in there without having to bend over on your back and straining it. Mommy! Yo! 台老2号1号又一声 Yo! 2号又一声 Yo! What are we? What are we? 台老 is what? I don't get it.
Foreign worker, I guess.
劳工的老台老 I guess I'm not one because I didn't work. Oh my god. This is where we're gonna put our food, and this mesh, our food will be staying away from insects hopefully. This side is the sea of clouds. We're surrounded by clouds, so you don't really see the sea because we're just in it. On that side, you can kind of see it kind of move up the mountain. And if we're lucky, there's a very beautiful scene that looks like just a sea of cloud, which is like a river just like flowing down the mountain. But right now I think there's too much cloud, so you don't really see that yet. Hopefully I can capture it. Yeah, there isn't actually that many spots here, which is nice because we want to stay away from people right now with COVID going on anyways. Okay, we're gonna explore. So there's this room. This is where you just dry your hair, I guess. Oh, and there's water dispenser here for cold and hot water. Moving on. I think this one is for people who don't have their own tents. Room number 1. Room number 2. It's another nice fan. 2 is a little bit bigger. You can make your own tea here. And then, so the fridge, everyone just shares the fridge and respect each other. Make sure you're not taking too much space. And here is the freezer. Sink for after you pee and poo poo. So this is a washroom. Washroom wise, it's not dirty. There is a smell, but that's very typical for washrooms, so that's all right. Here a place to put your bag and clothes, bucket, shower head, a seat. Pretty standard. This is nice. And I think that's pretty much it. Wow. So everything cleared up and this is what it looks like outside now. This is beautiful. Oh, wow.
这是迎宾酒
Moscato. Yum yum. We're gonna have that.
欢迎贵宾的迎宾酒
哇，好豪华哦。
甜白酒
It's really nice being able to wash your face and then you look up and this is what you see. Very nice view in the morning. And don't slack off on your skincare routine. This is me doing my skincare while enjoying the beautiful view outside. The UV rays are really strong up here, so just make sure you have sunscreen. Enjoying a nice cup of coffee before we go for our hiking trip. Finally on the bus, on the way back to the parking lot, and then we'll be going to the camping ground again.
Right.
Yeah, was the trip worth it for the waterfall? Wow. Okay.
No, because like they block like most of the stuff, right? So
Yeah.
if it was like a natural waterfall, which like you can go in the water and actually. Yeah, but anyway, so like there were too much restrictions there. You can only go through like a few road path, and it's either too close or too far. So then, yeah, you can't really film stuff properly. So not much of a cinematic shots were achieved. Yeah, in terms of vlogging, yeah, it was alright.
Overall, it was pretty cool to see a waterfall that close, and I think we got lucky in terms of the waterfall water amount. Because of the rain, it was actually kind of full, so it wasn't like the dried up kind of waterfall. But yeah. So that concludes our little stay here at the campground, and it was really nice. I guess some points that I want to point out is it's good for the tea here that it's very humid, but the humidity, it's very, very wet. So at nighttime, if you are thinking to dry your clothes outside, don't. Anything outside is going to be wet the next day when you pick it up. That's what happened to my towel as well as some electronics. So yeah, we were charging some stuff outside, and then in the morning when I woke up, I looked and that entire outlet was just wet. Also, if you want to see the sea of clouds, it's really dependent on the weather. It's based on luck, and so the first day we were lucky to see a nice view. Second, third day, it's been kind of foggy, so just keep that in mind. And yeah, overall, other than that, it's pretty good here. Washroom, water, electricity, everything is easy access. They have a fridge here for you to put stuff. Fridge also comes with a freezer, so there's that. They have a water dispenser for hot and cold water, which is really nice. Their view here is great because you're at the top of the mountain, so you really get to see everything as long as the fog is not here. So that's another good point. I would say I had a very fun experience here. My first time camping in Taiwan, and I give it a full mark 10 out of 10. As the restrictions get lifted here and there's more opportunity for me to explore and go out, I will be going out to vlog more and share more of my experiences with you all. If you have any recommendation or suggestions of where to explore, please let me know in the comments below. I would love to see that. And as always, stay happy and healthy. Bye for now.